takeoff.
Good afternoon guys, today we are unboxing this new DJI Air 3 drone. I already pre-opened this guys, but I want to show you what's inside the box of this new DJI Air 3. So let's unbox this. So this is the bag, the default bag. The bag is so cool guys because it has like for the luggage. You see this one. So anyways, so if you have a luggage, there is like a slot there to put. Oh. So easy carry on. Okay, let's move forward. So inside this bag is the clip is like you push it down and then like that. Very simple. And it has a pocket here. So actually I put all the manuals here and the SD card. I have 128 card. And these are all the propellers. See? Wow, this much. I think they provide 2 sets. They provide 2 sets in case the propellers are damaged. So all 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So they provided 12 pairs of propellers. What else is here? Oh, the battery. So this is the battery guys. I've read the battery will last long for 45 minutes. One battery. Oh, for easy pull out is like this. You press. Okay, press then pull out. We have the RC controller. This time it already has a display of its own. So as you can see, the controller pin is here. Just like that. So for the wireless connection for this, you need to connect through hotspot on your phone. So your phone needs to have a internet. So the internet source will be your phone. And the antenna is like that. Power on. I think press twice to activate. Okay. And this is the before showing the main event, I will show you the bag guys. So this is the compartments. There are 3 compartments in the bag and 1 packet here, and I think 1 more packet at the back. so convenient. And it has a cushion on your shoulders guys. So down to the main event. This is the drone. So the weight of this one is, so the weight of this drone is 720 grams or 0.72 kilograms. Almost a kilo. Wow. Let's install the propellers, guys. As you can see, it has a letter indication if it's A or B. A, then B is this one. So B is this one, B. You can see the indication here, guys. Where's the A and where's the B? So let's put first this one. You just push it down and turn counterclockwise. Let's find again another set of B. So it should be alternate diagonally. Push and clockwise. Then that's it. Then letter A. Push. Oh, letter A is push down and clockwise. So there are 2 more sets, guys. 2 extra more sets. Push down and clockwise. So that's it. Propellers are ready now. So this one, let's put the... Then where is the... Oh, so the SD card, guys, it's in the rear bottom. SD card and the charging point is here. Alright. So the battery needs to charge. It has like 2 bars capacity for now. So to get the battery, you need to press both sides. Then let's try, guys. Need to register, login register. So this is the drone, guys. The mighty drone, 720 grams. So to get the battery, you have to safer, guys, when it's raining. Unlike the other models like the Air 2S, like the battery is accessible on top, so it can be, the rainwater could leak. And here is the bottom. Yeah, I think these are the sensors. Then let's get... So this is the camera, guys, with the gimbal. Wow, very nice. This one sensor, below sensor. Quite heavy, guys. Now let's try. DJI Air 3. I think we need to turn on. Okay, guys, so the drone is on. Low battery, 15%. So that is the view already, guys. So let's try.
Take off.
Let's try, guys. Wow, look at the test. Into force landing. Land.
Landing.
So that's it, guys. I'm ready to test this out tomorrow.